Myths about hay fever, what you need to know. Hay fever, or allergic rhinitis, is a condition that many individuals deal with. Partly because it is so common, many myths about it have come to be. Here are 5 of the more common ones and what you need to know. 1. Hay fever is nothing more than a minor problem. It is true that for some people, hay fever is nothing more than an inconvenience. However, for many it can become dangerous quickly, especially when compounded with other health issues. For example, hay fever and asthma play off of each other and can intensify symptoms, which can lead to life-threatening episodes. Never underestimate the importance of treating hay fever symptoms. 2. Hay fever only affects you physically. Although hay fever has a physical cause, its effects go far beyond the physical. Hay fever can cause brain fog as well as depression. Our physical health affects our mental health, and vice versa. For this reason, we should strive to take care of ourselves in every area, in a holistic manner. 3. Going indoors will stop hay fever. Although your symptoms may be worse outdoors, hay fever can follow you everywhere you go. When you go indoors, be sure to shed your outdoor clothing at the front door and wash it promptly, as well as take a shower upon your arrival home where possible. Keep windows closed on days when the pollen count is the highest, and change the filter on your air filter system regularly. 4. Over-the-counter drugs are the only way to relieve hay fever. Although over-the-counter drugs are commonly used, and have helped many people find relief from their hay fever symptoms, they are not the only way. There are many measures one can take to reduce and sometimes even eliminate hay fever naturally. Some of these include consuming bee pollen or a tablespoon of local honey each day from a few months before your symptoms usually arise until allergy season is done. Another simple way to prevent allergic rhinitis symptoms is to coat the ends of the inside of your nostrils with Vaseline before you leave the house each day during allergy season. Cleaning up your diet can also be quite effective by removing inflammatory foods and those that you are personally intolerant toward, as well as adding anti-inflammatory supplements in foods. 5. If don't have hay fever by now, you never will. There is a myth that any allergies you have as an adult have been there all along. The fact is that many individuals have hay fever and other allergies that pop up as an adult, seemingly with no rhyme or reason. Just because you had an allergy-free childhood doesn't mean that at some point you won't deal with hay fever. Hay fever can be a nasty condition to deal with. There are many myths surrounding it, which can make it difficult to find an answer about it when you need one. By knowing what is true and what is not, you will be able to get help for yourself or your loved one quickly in order to protect against excessive hay fever symptoms. Health is wealth.